Hey gang, just want to give you a quick unboxing and first reaction of this remote that I just got. And so it actually came just like this in the mail. Let me just take out this part. Oop, gotta get I think this is the instructions. There we go. All right, here we go. These are basic instructions. Wow, that's really simple. Just overall, just looking at this, it feels nice in my hands. This is a voice activated remote for a Samsung, so you got to make sure that it's a that's why we got it actually, because we have a Samsung TV and we want it to be able to have just say, hey, I want to watch whatever movie, I don't know, any movies that we want to watch, or hey, I want to watch this particular show, Rawhide, whatever show it is. Um, and the button here, this is a nice center button, so you can still navigate using this, and the center button for enter. You have your channel up and down, you have your volume, and you have your Netflix quick button, your Prime Video and Hulu button, so you can go directly to Hulu and say, I want to watch Breaking Bad or whatever. This is your power button. And uh, so it comes this way. You need to add two AA batteries in there. The back of this does come off. Just yep. So there, it just connects off of there, and so there's your two AA batteries in there. And then you just connect it. Just get that back on there, and just snap it back into place. So it feels very sturdy in the hand, and I feel like this is, that I like the nice curve this has on this. So this is a really nice, remote. And so yeah, I really like it. It has a lot of great features. Not too busy, kind of just straightforward kind of features. Which is why we got this primarily. So we definitely recommend this. Hopefully, this will be helpful for you as well.